Hi friends, welcome back to Honda Meet. It is day 2 of, well, Honda Meet. I didn't film or vlog too much yesterday because I wanted to focus on driving. I think I kind of got it down. I'm somewhat comfortable out there, not 100% yet. I'm about a second off pace right now. Through turns 7, 8, and 9, I'm a lot more cautious going through there. Typically transitioning from 8 to 9, I can just mat it, throttle all the way through 9, but I kind of have to feather the throttle a little bit going through 9. I'm not sure if I'm going to make any adjustments to try and correct the toe in the rear by zeroing it out. I don't have any toe plates. I could probably borrow someone's, but I think I'm just gonna ride out the rest of today or the weekend with how the car is set up right now. It's manageable. Most of the time there's a lot of traffic out on track too, so it's not like I'm out there ripping trying to get a PB. I'd like to, but it's just not the case right now, and nothing's really falling into place. So I've just been giving ride-alongs. I'm about to go out with Bao for the first time this weekend too. She didn't wear long pants or closed-toed shoes yesterday, so she didn't get a chance to. But you know, the boys, Yagi, Steven, they got a ride yesterday. So Charlie is here also, and we might actually swap cars. I'll let him drive my car and I'll drive his DA. We'll see how that goes. That should be pretty fun. I'd like to get input on someone else driving my car, so it'd be cool to see Charlie drive my car. That'll be fun. So we go out in about, I don't even have a watch on, but we'll go out in about 10 minutes, and my tablet just decided to update. So hopefully it's done by the time we go, or else I won't have a dash. Yeah, stay tuned. What are you doing?
Checking your tire pressures.
Oh, thank you. Here's a closer look at Evan's car.
An hour, and I was like, yeah, stop. You're at Saturday at noon. Dude, because, like, okay, Mikey has his diamond shit comes to me, has to sort out. And me, like, I have like,
everyone's got
all
Charlie's
my
Valve
covers
cover
that I have to take care of and prep and stuff. And honestly, this weekend, I told my wife, like, last Thursday, I was like, yo, we're gonna go to Gingerbread, but I'm not taking the EK, so no fucking issues. I'm taking the Integra. Only thing I'm gonna do is change out the coilovers and put a camera kit on. And then Mike at TF was like, yeah, I'll whatever you need, just let me know. And I was like, okay, cool. He's like, okay, we shipped it Wednesday. I'm like, did you next day it? He's like, well, typically it's just a day. I'm like, not always, depending on when you ship it. So I didn't get it until Friday at 3 or 4. So that, because I really wanted to come up, get them Thursday. I was like, yo, I need them by Thursday.
These coilovers?
Yeah, the R ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I love them. Fuck. So,
and I was thinking, like, because I had off the whole week, and I'm like, I could have just picked them up.
I honestly
and then
thought,
you could have
like,
came down and we
when
just
you
threw
said
them
that,
on.
I was like, dude, we could have just packed my stuff, leave the car on the Progress, go over to your place, and install and do alignment. Now it's on like some mystery setting, just eyeball it.
You don't even have to. I always wonder what that was.
Yeah, I mean, you can, if you have like a normal cluster and right version harness with a wire. But that whole section of harness, like next to that, is part of like the headlight harness and everything. Like the C101 or whatever the fuck it is. So when I came to my harness in college, actually.
Yeah.
So last night I realized we're friends on Instagram.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh shit.
I followed your a couple of your videos, especially for the painting one, for when I painted my roll bar and stuff this winter.
Did you do the 415 also?
No, I ended up going with Rust-Oleum topside.
Oh, nice.
So it's the same stuff that Grant used in his too. I just went with white.
Shit. I'm gonna use that on my little half cage bar on the VA.
It's like super durable stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Shit's
can't
thick,
chip it.
man. That's just like
Super thick.
I was like, fuck. Powder paint on a brush? Shit.
Kosei K1s. Yeah.
And I tore my front lip off, so.
Did you?
It's kind of
Oh, that's right. I saw the post.
Yeah.
It's like in pieces.
6?
On no, I tore it off on 10.
Oh.
Actually, she's doing good. I mean, I beat the crap out of it, and it just takes it.
Yeah. You're in B group, right? What group are you in?
No, I'm in the beginner group right now. Just because it's my first day here. Yeah. Might
You
as
gotta
well.
learn, you know, get up to pace and get the lines.
Yeah. You're pretty. Yeah. Like, if you haven't, have you sat in a circuit before? You should try it because it hugs you. Yeah. Hugs you.
Take it slow, first lap or two, warm everything up, and then get in.
definitely brake way earlier.
Yeah, it's a process of trying to adjust yourself to the car.
Yeah, and I feel like you brake later and harder.
Yeah.
I'm more like I'll ease into the brake and I'll coast more.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so driving on the street and then driving on a racetrack, it's complete opposite.
Yeah.
So on the street, it's a slow application of the brakes to a hard application to a stop.
Yeah.
But when you're on the track, it's hard first and you slowly melt off. Because if you're hard as you're turning in, the car is unstable.
Yeah.
That's why you want to melt off and let the car level back up.
Oh,
Especially if the nose of the car dives a lot.
Yeah.
You gotta let it settle. That's why you gotta. But then you have to, like I said, melt off. Because if you're right off it,
Boom. Yeah.
not back.
It'll
So you
catch
gotta
back.
be real smooth with
Okay.
Yeah, it's all about being smooth out there.
Yeah.
It's crazy, just like breathing, like
yeah.
being relaxed, calm, nice and smooth. It changes everything.
And then like I think 7 and 8, you're clicking fourth at the cone.
Yep. So I'm actually short shifting. So going.
Because I'll hold third through that whole fucking thing because I feel like I don't know where to hit fourth, and I'll lose momentum, and the car will like.
So from what I've seen, because I mean this is a 5-speed B-series and yours is a totally different setup. I'll have to, if I stayed third through that, after I take 8 and then transition to 9, I'll be bouncing off the rev limiter if I stay on that. So I actually have to short shift, and it doubles, that short shift doubles is 2 different things for me. It allows me to get in 4th gear so I'm not bouncing off the rev limiter, but it also gives me a second to stabilize the car. And then I can turn it left. Because if you're loaded to turning right and you whip it that way, you're just gonna unsettle the whole car. I've spun because I've done that. But yeah, this is the little stock B-series.
Dude, it's fucking fun, man. It rips. How deep do you brake on 10?
On 10, 10 or 11? 11. At about the 2.5 marker, I think I can push it deeper. Yeah. Because I'm finding myself overslowed. And having to accelerate, accelerating before the apex. So if I'm doing that, that lets me know that, hey, I can carry more speed still. Yeah. Oh, did you get the wall?
No, that must have been like that.